Athel Enterprises Limited is a private limited company based in Mombasa, Kenya. We focus in connecting solar cookers and solar panels whereby people can cook with free energy from the sun. My name is Robert Mbuma Chizugwe, the founder and CEO of Athel Enterprise. Our biggest problem in Africa and in Kenya is that people lack clean cooking energy for families and institutes. People focus on cutting down trees in forests to get firewood and charcoal for cooking because of the high implementation of taxation on gas and electricity. In Athel, we bring this solution to you. We give you a solar-powered cooker that is integrated either on your grid or standalone system. When I say grid, is that people like schools and institutes, we can give them a solution whereby they give back excess power produced by solar panels during the daytime, and during the nighttime when the grid connects, they can be able to use the bonus points that they have claimed back to the grid and bring down the cost of energy. And for the standalone system, we give a solution whereby we connect with the lighting and appliances at home, and at the same time, getting a free cooking energy solution for your families.
At Athel, we dream of a smoke-free Africa whereby women and children breathe in clean air and live healthier lives. Our vision is to reach 10 million households with solar cooking solutions by 2030. The Zaid Sustainability Award will fuel this mission, empower thousands of women, and accelerate real change. We deserve to win because we are not just distributing technology, we are transforming the lives of families, communities, and the future of the entire continent.
We cannot cut firewood in the bush because we have